A silent revolution is happening right now. Not in government buildings, not in secret labs, but on laptops, in bedrooms, in coffee shops, and inside companies that do not even look like tech startups. Artificial intelligence in 2026 is not a future concept. It's a competitive weapon. And the people who understand which tools are actually dominating right now are pulling ahead faster than ever before. The truth? Most people are still stuck using AI like it's 2023. They're asking basic questions, generating simple images, and thinking that's the peak. Meanwhile, a small group of creators, founders, freelancers, and businesses are building systems powered by tools that quietly reshaped entire industries over the past year. Today, we're diving into the top 7 AI tools dominating 2026. Not hype, not theory. Real tools that are being used right now to make money, build leverage, and automate work at a level that would have seemed impossible just 2 years ago. And trust me, number 4 is something most people still do not fully understand yet. Let's start with the obvious giant that keeps evolving faster than expectations. The first tool dominating 2026 is ChatGPT by OpenAI, but not the version most people think of. OpenAI's ChatGPT in 2026 is not just a chatbot, it's a full-scale AI workspace. With multimodal capabilities, it now processes text, images, documents, code, audio, and even structured data in a single conversation. Businesses are using it to analyze contracts, create marketing campaigns, debug software, design product mock-ups, and build internal knowledge systems. The real shift happened when persistent memory and advanced reasoning models became mainstream. Instead of starting from scratch every time, ChatGPT now adapts to users over time, remembering context, preferences, tone, and long-term projects. For freelancers and founders, this is like having a full-time research assistant and strategist combined into one interface. Companies are integrating ChatGPT directly into customer support workflows, internal dashboards, and SaaS platforms through APIs. It's no longer just a tool you open in a browser. It's infrastructure. And here's the scary part. People who know how to prompt strategically are 10 times more productive than those who don't. Now, if ChatGPT is the strategic brain, then the second dominating tool is the creative engine. Midjourney. In 2026, Midjourney has pushed AI-generated art to levels that blur the line between digital and reality. Designers are using it to prototype branding in hours instead of weeks. YouTubers are generating cinematic thumbnails without photographers. Indie game developers are building entire visual worlds before writing a single line of code. But it's not just about pretty pictures anymore. Midjourney's latest models produce consistent character generation, style locking, and hyper-detailed compositions that once required entire creative teams. Fashion brands are testing clothing concepts digitally before manufacturing. Architects are visualizing environments instantly. Even product designers are mocking up packaging designs at lightning speed. If you can describe it clearly, Midjourney can render it. And while everyone is busy playing with AI art casually, professionals are quietly using it to replace expensive design pipelines. But visuals are just one side of the coin. The third tool dominating 2026 is Claude by Anthropic. Claude has carved out a powerful position in the AI ecosystem by focusing heavily on long context understanding and structured reasoning. In practical terms, this means it can analyze massive documents, think 500-page PDFs, and summarize, interpret, and extract insights without losing coherence. Law firms, researchers, and enterprises love it for this reason. Claude's ability to maintain context across large data sets makes it incredibly powerful for compliance analysis, financial research, academic review, and policy drafting. It's calm, structured, and extremely strong at complex writing tasks. Many businesses now run internal document analysis pipelines powered by Claude because of its stability and nuanced reasoning. Here's something interesting though. If you ask casual users what AI tools they use, Claude often does not even come up, yet in enterprise circles, it's becoming foundational. Now let me ask you something. If AI can write, design, and analyze documents, what happens when it starts building software for you? That's where the fourth tool comes in. And this is the one most people do not truly understand yet. Devin by Cognition AI. Devin is not just another coding assistant. It's being described as one of the first autonomous AI software engineers. In 2026, Devin can plan, write, debug, and deploy code across entire projects with minimal human supervision. Instead of asking for snippets of code, developers assign high-level goals. Devin breaks the problem into steps, researches documentation, writes the architecture, runs tests, fixes errors, and iterates until completion. Startups are using Devin to accelerate MVP development dramatically. Solo founders who previously needed a small dev team can now prototype applications in a fraction of the time. This does not mean developers are obsolete. It means leverage has exploded. The gap between someone who understands product vision and someone who does not is widening. Because if you know what to build, Devin helps you build it faster than ever before. Most people are still stuck asking AI to write small Python scripts. Meanwhile, autonomous coding agents are building entire SaaS platforms behind the scenes. That's the kind of shift most people do not notice until it's too late. Now let's move from software to search. The fifth dominating tool in 2026 is Perplexity AI. Perplexity changed how people interact with information. Instead of scrolling through pages of links, users get structured, cited, real-time synthesized answers. In 2026, Perplexity is integrated into research workflows, business intelligence systems, and even newsrooms. Journalists use it to rapidly gather context. Analysts use it to cross-reference data points. Students use it for guided research. What makes it powerful is not just answers, it's transparency. Perplexity shows its sources clearly and allows deep exploration through follow-up questions. It feels less like a search engine and more like an interactive research assistant. In a world drowning in information, speed and clarity are advantages, and Perplexity delivers both. But information and software are not the only domains being transformed. Video is exploding. The sixth tool dominating 2026 is Runway. Runway's generative video capabilities have matured dramatically. Text-to-video, image-to-video, motion editing, background replacement. What used to require entire production teams can now be done from a laptop. Marketing agencies are generating ad variations in hours. Indie filmmakers are storyboarding entire scenes with AI-generated sequences. Social media creators are producing cinematic content without cameras. The latest versions of Runway produce smoother motion consistency, better physics simulation, and realistic character animations. Imagine writing a script in the morning and having visual sequences by afternoon. That's not science fiction anymore. And as video becomes the dominant communication medium online, tools like Runway are becoming power multipliers. We've talked about writing, art, research, coding, and video. But there's one more layer that ties everything together in 2026: automation. The seventh tool dominating 2026 is Zapier AI. Zapier has existed for years as an automation platform, but its AI integration changed the game. Instead of manually building workflows step by step, users now describe outcomes in plain English. Whenever I get a new lead from my website, analyze their company size, categorize them by potential revenue, generate a personalized email, and notify my CRM. Zapier AI builds that system automatically. Entrepreneurs are using it to create fully automated sales pipelines. Content creators are building distribution systems that repurpose videos into blog posts, tweets, newsletters, and LinkedIn posts instantly. E-commerce businesses are automating customer support triage. In 2026, the winners are not just people who use AI tools. They're people who connect them. ChatGPT writes the copy. Midjourney generates visuals. Runway turns it into video. Zapier distributes it. Devin builds the product. Claude analyzes the contracts. Perplexity gathers the research. It's an ecosystem. And here's the line that should wake you up. The gap between AI users and non-users is no longer small, it's exponential. But let's take this deeper for a moment. Why are these tools dominating? Because they reduce friction. They reduce the time between idea and execution. They reduce the cost of experimentation. They reduce dependence on large teams. And when friction disappears, creativity explodes. In 2026, a single person with the right AI stack can operate like a 20-person company did in 2020. That's not exaggeration. Look at indie SaaS founders shipping products weekly. Look at solo creators producing studio-level content. Look at small agencies handling global clients with lean teams. AI tools did not replace ambition. But here's something most people miss. Owning access to AI is not the same as owning skill. You can have a subscription to every tool mentioned and still produce average results. The real leverage comes from understanding systems, from knowing how to chain outputs together, from building repeatable workflows, from thinking strategically instead of reactively. In 2026, the question is not, is AI taking jobs? The better question is, are you using AI to build assets? Because the people who are winning are not just generating content for fun. They're building intellectual property, digital products, automated businesses, data-driven services. They're using AI as a co-founder. And here's another uncomfortable truth. These tools are improving monthly. What feels advanced today will feel basic next year. So the only real competitive advantage is adaptability. Learning how to learn new tools quickly, testing workflows constantly, experimenting before everyone else does. Let me ask you something directly. If someone gave you the exact AI stack used by a high-performing startup today, would you know how to use it effectively? Or would you feel overwhelmed? That difference is the opportunity. Because while headlines debate whether AI is dangerous or overhyped, the real shift is happening quietly. Developers building faster, creators scaling smarter, businesses operating leaner, students learning quicker, freelancers delivering higher value, and the common denominator across all of them. They're not afraid of these tools. They're mastering them. Now imagine where this goes next. Autonomous agents collaborating with each other. Real-time language translation integrated into everything. AI-powered product design linked directly to manufacturing. Personalized AI assistants tailored to individuals at deep levels. We're not slowing down. We're accelerating. But here's the final thought I want you to sit with. In 2010, social media separated those who built audiences from those who didn't. In 2020, remote work separated those who adapted from those who resisted. In 2026, AI literacy is separating builders from spectators. And the window to get ahead is still open. You do not need to master everything overnight, but you do need to start thinking differently. Instead of asking, "What can AI do for me today?" start asking, "What system can I build using AI that runs without me tomorrow?" That shift in thinking changes everything. The tools are here. The leverage is real. And the people quietly experimenting right now are going to look like geniuses 5 years from now. The question is simple. Will you be one of them?